1990 GMC 7000. It's got the 8.2 diesel, single turbo, 22 fives, PTO, nothing hooked up to it. Used to be a dump bed. Took the dump bed and the cylinders. Pretty clean interior. Previous owner put an air pressure gauge in it, and it started leaking air down ever since he put the gauge in. Truck runs and drives, but needs a little suspension work in the front. Toe in is a little messed up, and it'll scrub the tires on corners. Needs paint. I'm gonna try to get it painted this summer and start on a flatbed for it. That's my other GMC 7000. No, that's a 5000. And it's got a small block Chevy and an Allison in it. And it also runs and drives really good, but not a lick of brakes. And sitting on the back is a Rover V8 with headers, 5-speed, transfer case. That's going in another project. And then there's my 79 GMC dually. I'm thinking about putting that drivetrain with the Allison in that, and I'm looking for a regular dually bed. I'm gonna sell the flatbed on it. And then this is my wife's cousin's K20 or K25 350 turbo 400. I just got through putting all new springs all the way around it, new shocks, bunch of steering parts, and new carburetor, new distributor. Currently has open headers, and it's not for sale.